Xplore Science Discovery Centre, where innovation and learning take centre stage. We're thrilled to unveil our vision for a multi-million-pound transformation that will elevate STEAM education in our community. Our mission? To spark curiosity, raise aspirations and build trust in science for future generations. Now with Xplore 2.0, we're taking the next step, transforming our first floor into a cutting-edge learning space, featuring 6 immersive, income-generating activity zones. A new under-7s area will be a role-play space where early explorers learn through play. A water zone will feature interactive exhibits teaching children about forces and water efficiency. Our immersive planetarium will be a state-of-the-art journey through space, offering an unforgettable experience. Xplore Illusions will be a sensory adventure filled with mind-bending visual surprises. Our makerspace will be a flexible area, fostering STEAM talent with hands-on activities, including a science lab and an exciting Lego room. Finally, the conferencing suite will be a unique venue for extraordinary events. Every exhibit will inspire discovery, curiosity and confidence, fostering a love of STEAM. With the input of market researchers, architects and the public, our plans are ready to redefine learning and innovation.
We're here with Harry and Olivia for their birthday party. Lots and lots of things for the kids to do, really exciting. Super excited about the expansion that's planned for upstairs as well.
This project is more than an upgrade. It's an investment in Wrexham. By creating a dynamic, accessible space, we'll inspire future generations and boost tourism and the economy. With your support, we can make this vision a reality. Join us in shaping the future together.